Kalimutan mo na yan, sige maglibang. Huwag kang magpakaibang, dapat ay itawa lang. Ang problema sa babae, dapat tinihinda. Hayaan mo silang mag-abol sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat ka nagloloko. Pagkatapos kang pakinabang, bigla lalayo.
Oh my goodness! Oh, shalala! Oh my... Oh! Ay! Shalala! Oh my goodness! Yummy hotdog matame! Oh my goodness! Perfect!
Recycle may kulang, original taste. May sugar 1.5, say ingredients. Carbonated may kulang, caramel kulang. Acidity regulator, natural flavor.
Gago!
Let's do the lato-lato dance.
Gago!
Walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, wala. Walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, wala. Above, walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot, wala. Walang libreng iyot, walang libreng iyot.
Hello, te. Magkano dito? 50? Benta ko sa'yo 60, te. Benta ko sa'yo 60. Ibenta ko sa'yo ng 60. Eto. Diba 50 sa'yo, te? Kunin ko ng 50, tapos bibenta ko sa'yo ng 60. Kasi ate, te, gusto ko maging hustler, eh. Para kumita ko sa market. Bilhin mo na sa akin, te. Ito, ate, oh. Ito, 10 piso, te. Ito, benta ko. Okay na. Ito, ate. Thank you, ate, ah.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Gago!
Gusto nang magpapansin nito sa akin para lang ma-shoutout ko. Totoo ba yung balita, Kap, na patay ka na daw? Iba, kamang-manga na tawag dyan. Kamang-manga na, bobo pa. Iba, tatanungin mo kung totoong patay na ako? Hindi mo nakikita naka-live pagsasalita?
Tatanungin mo kung kalbo ako. Sa personal, nakita ko na nga kalbo sa video. Tatanong ka pa sa akin kung bobo ako, kung kalbo ako sa personal. Gago, bobo.
Hanggang maging ilalak tirador. Kung iturin ng iba, literal. Paano ko kusama lirikal, kriminal? Nasa dami ba naman ang iniwan ng kritikal? Bilang lang ang tirador. Sa laro na kung saan minimal lang, kaya di magpakabang karaniwan sa mundo ng mga tipikal, kaya liga. Grabing araw, suntok sa panong kakupalang araw namin saan itagadabaw na madyugandot na sa iba, bawat magpakamamaw. Di tulong dalay, ito ang palayaw. Di lang nakasabay na namang pangadaw sa mga mababaw at mga may ayaw. Dinig yung mga aray, yung kinagat ko, aw, aw. Sabi daw puro away, mga para ko doon nasanay. Payo pa naman yung mahal kong nanay. Ako pag-isuplat, aba, mala.
Pati ako? Tiger.
Naiibahan ako.
Pero hindi ko spend Tiger. Isipin mo yun, Tiger.
Tama na.
Kasi he's always
Don't
ready for
respect
anything.
He's powered with Tiger. May wholesome goodness ng wheat and milk.
Ako sisigawan mo! Ano?
Kaya kahit saan,
Sino mo ko sabihan yan? Gusto mo subukan ako?
kailan,
Isipin mo yun, Tiger.
he's powered with Tiger.
Kuya, tumingisip mo yung tartato mo. Gago!
Hi, I'm Renee Dominique, and I'm applying for the role of the next Tendera of Potato Corner. For high school, I studied in a Montessori, and I also did homeschool, and as a matter of fact, I took the PEP test under DepEd because ayoko na pong mag K-12, and I passed, and I studied college in UP Diliman. Am I knowledgeable when it comes to basic mathematical computations? I think that that's what the calculator is for. I am an arts person, hindi po ako magaling mag-math, but I think my skills and other things can compensate for that. I believe that I have a good visual impact and a pleasing personality, basta po wag pong pasaway yung bibili. Is my weight proportionate to my height? I go to the gym, so my weight may be a little bit overweight if based on my height, but only because I am building muscle, so that weight is mostly muscle. Okay naman po yung complexion ko. I just have a few imperfections because I'm human like everyone else, but I think that's okay because if people will buy from Potato Corner, they can see na their tendera also has imperfections and they can relate to her, so that will make them buy more fries. And I have a good set of teeth. Hindi po ako nag-braces, hindi po to veneers, it's all natural. And I also have good eyesight. I have astigmatism, but I don't think that's going to affect how I prepare the fries for our customers. I do know how to communicate in English and Filipino. I speak Taglish most of the time, so I feel like best of both worlds, mas matutuwa yung customers. Do I definitely love dealing with all sorts of people? I definitely believe so. I'm an empath, which I think is perfect for the job of being the next tendera of Potato Corner.
I don't want nobody to give my matter like for this life I day. I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment. Baby, trabaje, make you know they shalaye. I don't want nobody to give my matter like for this life I day. I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment.
Gago! Pabili po ng chongke.
Lahat sisimot, pati bulbul sa utin. Ayoko gluwa eh. Sige! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Ay, walang may kwarta!
Ang ingay mo, bigot! Pulyain na mo!
Pag pinakitaan ko yung above mo ng mga paganyan ko paro. Iyot yung pa, ano, iyot na to paro. Ano?
Dunk it, Jonathan, dunk it.
Ano naman ang ginagawa ko dyan? Music leopard and Ganoy. Di ko aming performance sa mapit. Pero pag nagalit siya sa akin, lamparin niya ako! Ano paki ko? Tangina mo!
Saan ka nag-aaral?
Paulit-ulit! Kung pinang kinabuti.